Hi, if you've got stick drift on your Nintendo Switch, cleaning it may solve it. If there's real bad wear, then you need to replace the actual thumbstick itself. But if it's just a little bit of wear, then cleaning it with something like Deoxit Fader might well work. So let's go into System Settings. Also, you can try to calibrate your control stick as well. So I'm going to go down to Controllers and Sensors, and I'm going to go down to Calibrate Control Sticks. So if I do this one here, you will see that this one is suffering from a little bit of drift. There you go. You can see it's stuck there now. Yeah. So first of all, you can recalibrate it by going to X, and then it tells us to do it to the right. You can see it's not centering. Down, left, up. If it's really bad, you physically might have to kind of, like now, you might have to kind of try to put it to the middle. And now we're going to rotate it all the way around. Calibration complete. Now let's see, has it made it any better? It appears to have. Yeah, right now it is okay, but it will probably start drifting again. So what we can do is we can spray right into the middle bit here, and hopefully some will work its way in. So I'm going to put a squirt down here. Can be a little bit messy, so have some cloths ready. Now, hardly any of that is actually going to work its way into the middle, but I'm just going to keep clicking and moving around. Now this is the stuff here that I'm using to clean it. It's Deoxit Fader F5. It's quite expensive. This little can here was over £20, but you could use other contact cleaners as well. But this is good because it doesn't actually damage the carbon tracks in the little analog sticks. You can always turn off your Nintendo Switch when you do this, so you're not going to be connecting and possibly deleting something by accident. Couple more squirts. And I'm just doing full circles around while holding it in. Right, let's see what that is performing like now. Well, to be fair, it was doing it just as good when I calibrated it, but hopefully that should last a little bit longer now. But it will fail again, and when it does, if cleaning doesn't work the next time, then really you're going to have to replace the thumbstick. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.